Hello everyone. In the series of drugs of Himalayan region, the next drug which I am going to talk is about Pashanbhet. Nirukti and Paryay plays an important role in the drug identification and also helpful in getting the knowledge of pharmacodynamic properties as well as pharmacological uses of the plant. If we go through the Nirukti of Pashanbhet, it is said that Udbhinati Shilakhandam Vardate Prastarupari Ashmarim cha Bhinityashu Tata Pashanbhedka means it springs out after breaking the stones or spreads over the stony hard surface. Due to this property, it is believed that it breaks the stone present in the body. That is why it is known as Pashanbhet. Because Ayurveda followed the rules of doctrine of signature, that is, there is a relationship between outward qualities of medicinal objects and diseases against which it is effective. Due to this property and many other reasons like similarity in pharmacological actions, Pashanbhet comes under one of the controversial drug of Ayurveda. There are so many causes due to which controversies have been developed regarding medicinal plants. First and foremost cause is geographical variation, lack of frequent transportation, rapid urbanization, drug trading, which plays an important role in making a drug controversial, lack of knowledge of Nam Roop Gyan, pharmacognosy, and Prayog Gyan, that is pharmacotherapeutics. As Charak has said, न नाम ज्ञान मात्रेण रूप ज्ञानेन वा पुनः औषधि नाम पराम प्राप्ति कश्चिद वेदितुम अर्हति. Other causes like detailed description of medicinal plant is sketchy in literature. Polynomial system of naming of medicinal plant is one of the major cause of controversy. Non-availability of raw material, imbalance between demand and supply, unscientific method of drug collection, extinction of natural habitat. In today's date, 12 drugs have been taken by the name Pashanbhet: Arvelanata, Northocerva brachiata, Amania basifera, Rotula aquatica, Coleus amboinicus, Bryophyllum pinnatum, Iris species, Ocimum basilicum, Virginia ligulata, Bridelia retusa, Homonia riparia, and Didymocarpus pedicellata. To sort out this type of controversy, scholars of Dravigun who worked on controversial drugs from decades gave their following suggestions to find the correct botanical source of a particular drug. For example, knowledge of Ayurvedic classics. We should know the places where particular drug has been mentioned. Sound knowledge of Sanskrit language, because Nirukti and Paryay of Ayurvedic drugs have their own meaning. Knowledge of modern botany, which helps in making the decision of botanical source of drug. Historical view is another point which plays an important role. And last, geographical knowledge. On the basis of above suggestions, Controversial Drug Committee made by Government of India has given their final decision on Pashanbhet that Virginia ligulata or Virginia ciliata should be taken as botanical source of Pashanbhet, as it contains morphological characters and functions like Mutravirechini karma, diuretic property, Dahaprashman karma, burning micturition, pacifying property exactly similar to that which are mentioned in the Ayurvedic classics. Experimental and clinical studies also support this. But Ashmari Bhedan, that is lithotriptic property, and Vatashanshaman karma, that is pain relieving properties, are better seen in Arvelanata. Now come to the botanical source of Pashanbhet, that is Virginia ligulata or Virginia ciliata, family Saxifragaceae. It is a rhizomatic perennial herb found throughout temperate Himalayas at 2,700 to 3,000 meter height. In Himachal Pradesh, it is found in Shimla, Mandi, Kullu, Kangra, Chamba districts on most rocky slopes. One more species is also found in Himachal Pradesh, that is Virginia strachyi. As far as its pharmacodynamic properties are concerned, it has Tikt Kashay Ras, Katu Vipak, Sheetvir and Snigdh Tikshn Gun. Leaves are ovate or orbicular, cordate, margin fringed with short and stiff hairs. Flowers are whitish pink in terminal corymb. Fruits are cone-like capsule. Usable part of Virginia ligulata is root. Its external surface is reddish brown in color and pinkish from within. Wrinkled or irregularly shriveled, bearing leaf scales in the upper part and root scars below. Fracture tough, odor faint and bitter in taste. Roots may be used in the form of powder or decoction, 3 to 6 gram in powder form and 50 to 100 ml in decoction form. Now come to the chemical constituents and its uses. Virginine is the main alkaloid that is present in the roots, which is reported for diverse therapeutic action like antioxidant, immunomodulatory activity, analgesic, lithotriptic activity and renal UTI. Due to kashay ras or tannin, it is also effective in leukorrhea, menorrhagia, diarrhea, hemorrhoids and dysentery. Due to presence of tannin, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral activities are seen. It is also used in iphane poisoning. So, in nutshell, we can say that the rational administration of drug is necessary. While choosing the drug, especially Pashan Bhed, for urinary system, for diuretic function and the symptoms of burning micturition, we should use Virginia ligulata or Virginia ciliata, and in case of severe pain or large size stone, we should go for Erva lanata. Thank you.